Namaste everyone. Suppose you are working in an organization and you want to calculate a working day date after starting from a particular date after some number of days. Okay. Starting from this particular date, which is 5 September 2022, I want to calculate the next working day after 9 working days. Okay. So this formula is going to help me in finding this one. And in between, let us suppose these two are either public or the private holidays, and we have to skip these one. And how should we do that in this case? Okay, let us start typing the formula. Okay, work day. Now this is my starting date, 5th September 2022, and I want the answer after 9 days, 9 working days. Let me not add the holidays for now to make it very simple. So you can see we got the answer, which is 16th September 2022. So first of all, let me explain this concept with the help of calendar, how this formula worked for us. You can see guys, we started from 5 September here. Okay, the counting will start from 6th onwards, not from 5th one. The counting does not include this starting date. So let us start counting 9 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now stop here. You can see Saturday and Sunday. These two are the weekends which are included as holidays. So these won't be counted by the Excel formula. Okay. So let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip these two. 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is 9th one, which is the answer, which is 16 September 2022. I hope this is clear to you guys. So now let us modify this formula and include these two holidays also, 7th and 13th. So for that I will use F2 button, and here in the argument, in third argument, I will use these two holidays and select these two. Okay. Now this formula is ready and modified. Now you can see the next working day according to these two holidays will be 20th of September 2022. Let me show it again with the help of calendar. Now start counting from here guys. 6. This is 1. Now I will skip this one. This is the public or private holiday, whatever. Either government holiday. 1, 2, 3. Then come here 4. Skip this one again. 5, 6, 7. Skip these two. 8 and 9. So you can see we got the exact answer, which is 29 and 2022. In this way, guys, you can calculate any workday date using this formula, and you can add any number of holidays which are in the given month or given months. You can use here any number of days, whatever you want. Let me add here, okay, after 15 days. So you can see how this formula is modified, and we got answer 28 September. So I hope this formula was very clear to you guys. Use it freely and feel free to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.